How to make money on Upwork for beginners, $100 every day. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Upwork and begin making money. So let's get into it. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys two basic approaches to finding work and creating your account on Upwork. So the first way is to simply do a freelance job or find a job for your personal skills, and you can go on ahead and work in any kind of field. They have a bunch of different fields, anywhere from development and IT to legal and engineering, finance, design and creative, sales and marketing, so on and so forth. So this is one of the most basic ways to earn money. You can even find some remote jobs as well. So you can work remotely with a actual proper office or business or company. Now, the other way is to earn by outsourcing the tasks, and that is one way where you're going to be working more as a passive middleman rather than working actively. So, in that way, let's say that you find a freelance job where someone wants to design a marketing campaign for their new product, and they are paying you $800 to do it. Maybe instead of, actually creating their marketing campaign, you're going to take that $800 and you're going to find someone else who can do it for a lesser price. So let's say you find someone who can do a marketing for a product for $500. So instead of using $800 and trying to do it yourself, you're going to hire someone else to do it for you for $500, and you're going to pocket the commission. So you're going to pocket $300 for basically nothing. Now, that is a little large of a margin. Usually, it's not that large of a margin that you're going to be pocketing, but it still is a substantial amount for the fact that you don't have to actively work for these kinds of gigs. Now, to get started on Upwork, all you have to do is head on over to upwork.com, click on sign up on the top right. And there are a few things you need to make sure whenever you are creating your account. First off, you're just going to enter your basic info. Then you're going to set a password. Then you're going to agree to their terms of service. Click on create my account. Now it's just going to take a couple of seconds for you to create your account, and it's going to redirect you to the next page. After that, they will ask you to verify your email. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now from here, I'm just logging back onto my previous account, but this is what a Upwork account is going to be like. So I'm going to go into my actual account and show you guys what it looks like. So first off, you are going to click on your name, and this will show your profile. So first off, you have your location, you have your name, then you have video introduction, hours per week, languages, verifications, military veteran, and education. So, if you qualify as a military veteran, then you can enter that as well. Other than that, you can enter your education. Even if it does not regard directly to your work, you can add it. It just usually does leave a better impression. Now, other than that, you can click on see public view and customize the public view. And after that, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on profile settings. And from here, you can actually see all of your profile information. You can see your membership, your contact info, who can contact you, so on and so forth. Now, if I click on my stats or my project dashboard in the find work section, you'll be able to see any of the jobs you've completed via Upwork. Now, other than that, if you go back into your profile, you want to customize it as much as you can. So these are the basic fields that you have. So you have your, basic gigs that you can do, and you can just click on this button over here and you can put in your hourly rate. You can take a look at what you'll receive after the Upwork service fees. You also have things such as your work history, so this will appear whenever you have Upwork clients, and then you have your portfolio. So you can just click on over here and you can add a portfolio project. So let's say that you worked previously as a designer for a marketing team and you designed a very successful marketing campaign for a t-shirt. Then you can click on go select template, and you can choose how you want to display your previous project. So you have multiple different options. Let's say we want to add it in the classic version. And then you have your product description. So you can enter whatever your previous goals were, what you wanted to achieve, what the project was like, what everyone wanted out of the project, and then you can enter your files as well. And you can enter your skills and deliverables within that project. So let's say you were delivering social media posts, you were delivering social media content videos, you were delivering copyrighted articles, so on and so forth. So you can enter your skills or deliverables that are related directly to that specific project, and then after that you have your project URL, and then you can preview it and upload it onto your profile. Now, if we go back into our Find Work section on the top left of our screen, you're going to be able to see potential jobs that you like. So in your potential jobs, you can see there are a bunch of different people that are looking for logo designs, and that is because I've added logo design as my specific skill. And then once you find a job that you like, so we can click on it, and then you can go ahead and click on Apply Now. And then you have your proposal setting. So what you're going to do is how much is the amount that you're willing to work for. So this is the client's budget is $35. Then you will ask how long it will take you to complete this project. Then you can upload your cover letter or resume and then attach any necessary files. And you can also boost your proposals by these top spaces. So you can begin bidding on these as well. Now, after that, if you find work, so if you go into the find work section, you find a really nice job and you get the job. Another great way to earn money is that instead of having to sit there, design logos or design marketing campaigns or whatever kind of job you've done, you can actually hire someone to do it on a lower price. You can find them on Fiverr or even on Upwork as well, and you can outsource this. So and that person needs a logo and they have a $35 price limit. So if I go on to Fiverr over here, I can find someone to design a logo for $15. So I can pocket the difference, which is going to be around $15 to $20. So I'm going to receive $28 and then I'm paying $15 to someone else, and the rest I can pocket. So in this way, you can earn quite a lot of money, but I want you guys to make sure that you go into your Upwork profile first, and you want to make sure that your profile, if I go on to my profile over here, that it is very much not empty. So you want to make sure you fill out all the information, everything that is relevant, your basic information, how much you work for, and make sure to add at least one sample project if you're a new creator on Upwork, so people just have an idea of how you work. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.